Hello everyone, you are watching Tutorials Hub. This is Amitabh, your teacher. In this session, we will learn how to create, display, alter multiple ledgers and how to create, display, alter the cost centers in Tally ERP9. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, you need to go to the gateway of Tally and you need to choose accounts info. Under accounts info, choose the option ledgers. Click on create under multiple ledgers option to create multiple ledgers in Tally. On multi-ledgers creation screen, enter the required details. Under group, choose the required list of items. However, you can search group by entering the group name in the given under group text field. Under group, update the required details. Enter the name of the ledger that you would like to create in Tally. The under group field will be automatically filled by Tally. After entering the details, please enter to continue. You will get message as accept, yes or no. Choose yes to accept the updated details in Tally ERP9. You have successfully created multiple ledgers in Tally ERP9. Now, how to display multiple ledgers in Tally ERP9? After ledgers are created in Tally application, we can check multiple ledger by choosing the display option. So you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select accounts info, select ledgers. Now click on display under multiple ledgers. Now select group screen, choose the group name from the list of groups. Now the multi-ledger screen display as shown. Please note, in this display mode, users are not allowed to modify any changes. Next is alteration of multiple ledgers. Through this alter mode, you can change the details as per the requirements. For this, you need to go to the gateway of Tally again, select accounts info, then select ledgers, click on alter option under multiple ledgers. From the list of the groups, choose the required group name for alteration. On multi-ledger alteration screen, you can update the required details as you can add or delete ledgers, or you can update the opening balance. Please enter and accept the details to save in Tally. Now let's talk about the cost centers. Before creation of cost center in Tally, make the required configuration settings to enable cost center in Tally.erp9. By enabling cost centers in accounting features helps you to create cost centers under accounts info. So first of all, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select features option, then enable the option for maintain cost centers as yes, then accept to save the change details in Tally.erp9. Now let's come to the creation of cost center in Tally ERP9. You need to go to the gateway of Tally, select accounts info. Now click on the option cost centers. In the next screen, under single cost center option, click on the option create. If you want to create multiple cost centers in Tally, choose the option create under multiple cost centers. On cost center creation screen, update the required details. Category option. Tally automatically create primary cost center where all the cost centers are to be assigned. Primary cost center is a default cost center until we create new one. Choose the category as primary cost center. Name option. Enter the name of cost center. Alias. You can call the cost center with other name. For example, head office, branch, etc. Under option. Update the parent cost center for this cost center from the list of the cost centers. After entering the required details for cost center creation, choose Accept to save the details. Now how to display single cost center in Tally. For this you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounts Info, go to Cost Centers and then select Display option under Single Cost Center. Now select the cost center screen, choose the cost center from the list of the cost centers. Now the cost center displays on screen with details. On display mode, users are not allowed to modify the details of cost center. Only alter mode enables to change cost center details. Finally, how to alter single cost center in Tally.erp9. You need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounts Info, select Cost Centers, select Alter option under Single Cost Center. On select Cost Center screen, choose the cost center from the list of the cost centers to edit the details. On Cost Center Alteration screen, edit the details and choose Accept to save the updated details in Tally.erp9 application. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the regular updates.